In this video, I'll show you how you can fix lost connection to host/server, connection timed out in Black Ops 6. First thing that I suggest you do is you come here and search for View Network Connections. In here, find your internet, right click on it, disable, and then right click enable. After you've done that, what you should do is right click on it, head over to properties, then come over here to protocol version 4, properties, use the following DNS and type in this one, 8888-8844. Press OK and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is you can delete this one, and then instead of that you can type in 1111-1001. Press OK and try this one as well. After you've done that, if it still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is you try and open up CMD. So search for CMD right here, right click and run as an administrator. Once this is opened, what you want to do is you want to type in ipconfig //flush DNS and press enter. After you've done this, what you want to do is just restart your PC and now it should hopefully work. If for some reason it's still not working, the last thing that I suggest you do is you find your router in your house and you unplug the power to it for a few minutes, just 1 or 2 minutes. And after you've done that, just plug it back in and that's gonna reset your entire network. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.